For the very longest time I have been waiting for the right time, right moment and right mood to start the channel, and right mood to write the script for myself so that I can make a video. But मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ. I have been just procrastinating all these things, and I was not working on it. And I realized that the right moment is right now. The right moment to start anything is right now. So I am starting this thing, and I am challenging myself for posting continuously every day for 30 days in a long form content on YouTube. And I don't know I'll be able to do that or not, but I will try my best to do that. And not just YouTube. If you are willing to learn any kind of skill in your life, it is very, very, very important for you to just start doing it. Don't procrastinate. Don't think about that I'll do that at that time, I'll do that when my mood is right. These are the situations are going on in my life. When these situations get over, then I will start my learnings for a new skill. No, it is not required. The only thing required is you to start, you to take action, you to just forget everything and start. Just sit with a pen and paper and write all your thoughts. And while I was writing all my thoughts and my ideas on which I wanted to work, I realized that it was not my situations due to which I was not taking actions towards whatever I wanted to achieve. It was not my situations, it was not my mood, it was not my exam preparation. It was just me who was taking myself back. आई डोंट नो, हो सकता है कि आप में से बहुत सारे लोग हों जो सेम सिचुएशन फेस कर रहे हो कि हम कुछ करना तो चाहते हैं लेकिन कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज योर रिमाइंडर दैट यू शुड जस्ट स्टार्ट. एंड yes, I am going to share the 5 most powerful reasons why I am starting this journey. And let's get started with those 5 reasons. Reason number 1 is skill compounds over time. Whatever skills we learn in our life, whatever it is, while it is a video recording or shooting yourself or editing a video or any soft skill or any kind of skill you are learning in your life, it is going to compound. It is going to compound and give you results. It is going to give you a financial freedom as well if you work on it consistently. Reason number 2, that done is better than perfect. This video is not at all perfect. मैंने जो स्क्रिप्ट भी बनाई है ना उसका उल्टा ही बोल रही हूँ मैं. तो it is better to be just done with the work rather than being a perfectionist, because in a very initial time no one is going to be perfect. किसी को नहीं पता कि तुम कितने ज़्यादा परफेक्ट हो सकता है तुम्हें जो लग रहा है कि तुम बहुत परफेक्ट हो वो सामने वाले के लिए परफेक्ट नहीं हो. वी कैन नेवर बी परफेक्ट. सो इट इज़ बेटर टू बी डन with whatever you want to do. So this is what I'm doing right now. Third reason is maybe this journey of mine will inspire someone. And if it inspires even a one person, then I would be really, really grateful, because you never know. I get inspiration from a lot of YouTubers. The goal is not to be a YouTuber. The goal is to just film myself, just share my thoughts, just share my opinions, because as a woman you should have a opinion, and you should have the courage to put that opinion in front of everyone. So this is what I am doing. And you never know, जैसे मैं दूसरों को देखकर, दूसरों की बातें सुनकर उनसे इंस्पायर हुई हूँ, हो सकता है मुझसे भी कोई इंस्पायर हो. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट, बट who knows. Reason number 4 is starting any new skill build up confidence. It just, you know, आपको भीड़ से अलग बनाती है. And at this point of time, I think YouTube is something which actually gives you the confidence, a confidence to speak in front of camera, a confidence to speak in front of thousands of people. You never know if if you are starting a channel, and if that channel grows, you never know what kind of opportunities you will get in your life. And yes, it is important to start something, and maybe at some point of my life I would be confident enough to take a lot of opportunities, to take my life at another level, or at least at that level in which I see myself as a very confident woman. And the final reason is, maybe in future my future self will thank my present self for taking that one action, for just taking that pen and paper and writing your thoughts, and after writing your thoughts, taking that action to convert it in a video and just clear your mind in front of camera. So this is the five reasons, my five reasons why I wanted to start this journey. And this is not to tell anyone that why I'm starting a YouTube channel or why I'm sharing my thoughts. It is just to remind myself that when in future I see myself 2026 कि ये बंदी को जब मैं देखूंगी, तो I should feel proud on myself that I took this action. No matter how many views are there, no matter कोई देख भी रहा है कि नहीं, no matter कि कोई growth भी हो रही है कि नहीं, because the only thing matter is to record myself and to build that life which I imagine in my mind. एंड वो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करके तो बनेगी नहीं, ऐसे ही बनेगी, तो ये मैं कर रही हूँ. सो हियर इज माई चैलेंज फॉर यू, if anyone is seeing this video, that comment down one skill which you wanted to achieve and just give 30 days to that skill. हो सकता है कि वो स्किल आपकी इतनी ग्रो हो जाए या आप उसमें ऐसे मास्टर कर जाओ कि आपको आफ्टर 30 days यू गेट एनी काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज विच मीन्स अ लॉट टू यू. एंड अगर नहीं भी मिलती है तो आफ्टर 30 days यू विल बी द मास्टर ऑफ दैट स्किल, राइट. एंड मास्टर नहीं भी तो तुमको भीड़ से थोड़े तो अलग हो ही जाओगे, है कि नहीं. तो कमेंट डाउन. एंड मुझे नहीं पता ये वीडियो मैंने कैसा बनाया है. फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग in front of camera like this, and I'm somewhere feeling proud of myself. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, whoever have watched my video, and it means a lot to me.